फिराऊं मैं तेरे सपने मेरे सपनों में है नाराजी ऐसा लगता है कि बात दिल की होती लफ्जों की धोखेबाजी तुम साथ हो या ना हो क्या फर्क है बेदर्द थी जिंदगी बेदर्द है अगर तुम साथ हो.
Welcome to Melbourne, one of the most vibrant and multicultural cities in the world. Join me as I take you through a typical day in the life of an international student in this beautiful city. Our day starts early with the sound of the alarm.
Hi, this is Roshan.
Hi, this is Roshan. So this is the last day of our college.
So I'm gonna show you how to cure salmon. Nothing salmon there, was it? Please. Hello, Naveen. How guys?
Welcome to my university, a place where students from all over the world come to learn and grow. The campus is not just a place for academic studies, but also a hub for social activities and cultural events. Lectures are an essential part of university life. The professors here are knowledgeable and passionate about their subjects, making learning an engaging experience. It's important to stay attentive and take notes to keep up with the coursework. Melbourne's weather can be unpredictable, so it's always a good idea to check the forecast before leaving. Today, the sun is shining, promising a beautiful day ahead. After lunch, we take a leisurely stroll around the CBD. The city's vibrant atmosphere and stunning architecture make it a perfect place to explore and unwind. One of the best things about living in Melbourne is the excellent public transport system. With my trusty Myki card, I can easily hop on a tram, train or bus to get around the city. One of the highlights of my day is the break time at university. My friend has an incredible voice and often sings emotional songs that resonate with all of us. It's a beautiful and heartfelt moment that brings everyone together, creating a sense of community and support.
My cost of duration. Dunia is your
The tram ride to campus is always an interesting experience. You get to see the city's mix of old and new architecture, bustling streets, and the diverse people who call Melbourne home. The busy streets are alive with activity, making it an exciting place to be. Melbourne is known for its vibrant cultural scene. In the evenings, I love exploring the city's laneways, street art, and live music venues. There's always something exciting happening, whether it's a street performance, an art exhibition, or a food festival. I also love observing the hustle and bustle of people running through the busy streets during the day. We then visit Melbourne Central, one of the city's iconic shopping centres. From fashion boutiques to quirky stores, there's something for everyone. It's also a great spot to grab a coffee and people watch, soaking in the lively energy of the city. One of the highlights of my day is the break time at university. My friend has an incredible voice and often
दिल का राज कहता हूँ कि जब जब सांसें लेता हूँ तेरा ही नाम लेता हूँ कि तूने क्या किया। धन्यवाद।
After a day full of activities, it's time to wind down and catch up on some studying. It's important to stay on top of assignments and readings to make the most of the academic experience. Classes aren't just about serious studies. We often share jokes and light-hearted moments with friends, making the learning experience more enjoyable and creating lasting memories. Being an international student in Melbourne is an enriching experience. The city offers a perfect blend of education, culture, and adventure. Every day brings new opportunities and challenges, shaping us into more independent and resilient individuals. We take in the sights and sounds of the bustling streets, enjoying the unique charm of Melbourne. As we walk, we come across a captivating street painting of monkeys and lions, an example of the city's rich street art culture. During break times, we often engage in fun activities to relax and recharge. One of our favorite pastimes is playing table tennis. It's a great way to have some friendly competition and share a few laughs with friends. As an international student, balancing studies, work and social life can be challenging, but it's all part of the adventure. During our 1.5-hour break, we head out to a cozy cafe in the CBD for a delightful meal. Melbourne's food scene is incredible, with options ranging from local cafes to international cuisines. It's the perfect opportunity to relax and socialize with friends. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more content about student life in Melbourne. See you next time.